Control points contain project coordinates which consist of a point number, northing, easting, elevation, and sometimes a description. They are mandatory for every job site. They are necessary if you have existing data or a design. Control is exactly what the name implies. It stakes down your data to the real world. Option 1. This is when you are provided a printed list of control points, either from the plans or provided by a surveyor. Select Data, Control, Add, and type in the information. Description may help identify the location or the type of hub, but it is not necessary. 5D recommends that someone reads the point information while someone inputs the data. Then read the inputted numbers back to confirm there are no errors. In rare cases, you may have points in the project that you can use for control. In that case, select the Point List button to locate the point you wish to use versus typing it in. Option 2. Take this path if you are fortunate enough to have a control point list to import. Import by selecting Data, Import-Export, then Import. Next, select the import method to be control points only. The From option is the format you wish to import with. Format is the established organization of the data and the file type being imported. You can select from the pre-established formats or create your own by selecting the Format button in the bottom left of the screen. That's where you give it a name such as Standard, and it's helpful to include the layout of the data in the name. Each line item is either the column in Excel or data separated by comma or tab in a text file. Be careful not to mix up the northing and easting, that happens quite often. The extension is how the software is able to find your data. Files end with a .txt or .csv. Just type in the letters without the dot in front. Select OK and make sure your From option is now the new format. Locate your file and import. Option 3. In this example, you are not using existing data. You just need to create a quick project for the day, and you wish to create your own site coordinates to survey and design for future use. The 3D laser and GNSS base station procedures are similar, however, take different paths. Create a new site and begin with setting up the station or GPS base station. When using a 3D laser, select Control, Station Setup, Unknown Point, then Next, and Finish. When using a GNSS base station, select Control, GPS base station, Unknown Point. Check the box, give it a name such as Base 1, then Next several times to the Finish button. Now proceed to Option 1 in this video to add a point using your own name and coordinates and measure one control point. We suggest adding additional control points through the Measure Topo function. Future videos will describe this complete process. The focus of this video was to add points to an existing project. Thank you for watching this guide created by 5D Solutions Incorporated. For additional resources and information, visit our website at 5dsolutionsinc.com. We hope this video has been helpful in navigating your site control point data.